So my mom just got back from Dominican Republic and she brought back with her a ton of hair products. So let's go through all the hair products that she bought in Dominican Republic. My mom suffers from hair loss, so you're gonna see some clinical products in here to target hair loss specifically. So the first thing I have are these scalp treatments. These are clinical scalp treatments to target hair loss specifically. They are called Tricovit. These are scalp treatments to prevent hair loss. I am not sure if they have minoxidil in them, but you get these at the pharmacy and I've never seen these here in the United States. So these are really cool and she buys like a few of these at a time every time she goes. Next up, she bought 3 bottles of minoxidil. These are minoxidil al 5%. So these are minoxidil 5%. These are from the Instituto Dermatológico Dominicano y Cirugía de la Piel. So these are clinical grade minoxidil. I personally don't use minoxidil. It is too strong for me. I get allergic reactions to it. But if you can tolerate minoxidil, it is a fantastic hair treatment for hair loss. It's clinically proven to regrow hair. I go the more natural route. I like to use rosemary instead, but these are great if you can tolerate them. So she buys 3 of these and they are in glass bottles. So just be careful if you buy these because they can break in your bag. Not fun. Next up, we have, these are some more clinical products. This is Betnovate, which is I don't know. 0.1%. And again, this is a topical treatment for your scalp to regrow hair. These are from the pharmacy in Dominican Republic. We have these really cool treatments from Lemo. These you buy at La Sirena. That's what they look like right here. This is the Coco Jengibre Coconut and Ginger Scalp Solution. And it says here that it contains Botox Capilar, anti-caída crecimiento, anti-hair loss, and increasing hair loss treatment. And sellador de hebras y puntas, which is a split end mender or like a split end repair. And these are like little ampollitas in like these glass bottles, and you apply these to your hair after washing as a treatment, and then you would style as normal. You can do your rolos, you can blow dry your hair, whatever, and it's gonna be working on your hair. Now, word of caution, the Botox Capilar is not going to be the same as the Botox, as the hair Botox that you get at a salon. That is a smoothing treatment that will change the texture of your hair. I don't believe this changes the texture of your hair, but I would still caution, it's perfect for people who straighten their hair a lot. So if you already blow dry all the time, use heat all the time, you are already straightening your hair, the Botox Capilar will be perfect for you because it is an anti-frizz treatment to smooth out your hair. These are really, really good and they're so inexpensive. I like the anti-caída one, which is the hair loss one that comes in here. It's really good and it's a nice targeted scalp treatment. So she got these, actually one more, so she got 4 of these. Then these are one of my favorite hair treatments. I buy these all the time. These are the little ampollitas. These are the hair treatments that you can use by themselves, or you can use it with a deep treatment mask. This is the avocado oil one. This is the Biocomplex aceite de aguacate. That one's the avocado oil. Los besitos de coco, which has coconut milk and coconut oil. Really, really good for dry hair. These 2 are perfect for very, very dry and damaged hair. I love these. And then this one is the one with protein. This is the Bioactivo Acondicionador Restaurador Capilar de Alto Brillo para el Cabello. This is a high shine one, and this has protein as well. These are really good by itself. I've used it on my page before, but I'm gonna be doing some updated routines using these because they can be a little bit confusing, especially like the difference between these and these, because these are leave-on products. These you can leave on or rinse out. And then last but not least, 10 en 1. This is a really famous, iconic hair treatment. This is the one that is with argan and shea butter. This is the Intensive Regenerador Multiple Nutritious Action. The translations always get me. This is the one that is going to be hydrating. It has argan oil. This is a hair treatment for dry, damaged hair. This is really, really good. I actually don't have this in my collection, so might have to take it from her. might go missing, she'll be like, where's my hair treatment? And I have it. So those were all of the hair growth products and hair treatments that my mom got from Dominican Republic. If you guys want to see me use some of these products, especially the ampollas, then follow me for more hair videos.